Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my late video for Scrap 5. Everybody else has posted. Make sure you check them out. They're all down below. But I did want to play along. I just didn't get time to play along during the week to have it up in time, but I am getting it to you. So, the Scrap 5, if you haven't seen what we've been doing this month already, our 5 items are washi, stamping, make and use a tag, brads, and a 60/40 background. So I still had 2 photos left I've been scrapping some of these photos. You've maybe seen if you've been watching my channel the last few weeks from our town festival days, just pictures of my son having fun. And so I've been using this Simple Stories collection, and so I wanted to use it up. And also I've been using this random paper pad from King Company that the B-sides worked really well with the colors, so I was really liking it. So I kind of kept all the layouts similar in the fact that a lot of them use these papers. I think there's only one layout that I already posted today too that does not. But I started playing, wanted to make sure I knew what I was going to be doing before I shared with you. Otherwise, I was just going to do a layout share, but this will just be a relatively quick video because I've done a lot of the process already. So I've created my 60/40 background with this B green side and this B orange side, and I left a tiny black down the middle, or down as a seam. You're not really gonna end up seeing that very much, but I did do that. I've made a bunch of tags out of the scraps that I had left of that Simple Stories collection. And I've kind of arranged them, matted my photos, cut them down, matted them on black. And then I started doing some stamping. So I grabbed this grunge Studio Light stamp set because I really liked kind of the grunginess of it, and so I stamped amazing on this tag, smile on this tag, and then I have this kind of grungy notebook edge that I'm gonna use, I think, in certain places. I've grabbed a black and white washi because there's not a lot left of it, so if I can use it up on this layout, that would be kind of cool. And then all the embellishments I had left from the scrap room kit. So I've got this foam thicker that says Star Player that I'm gonna stick right here. I've got this tag that came in the cut apart. It says you're a winner, so I'm going to leave that out and put game night, and then I'm going to put play and these tiles across the top. And then I have a puzzle piece that I'm just going to tuck in here. I don't want to cover up anybody's faces or anything, but I'll put it, or maybe I'll stick it like right here or something. And then I thought maybe I'd put some washi down there and then stamped this grunge underneath it to kind of frame that, and do the grunge and the washi kind of other places as well. And then I'll add some twine. And then the last thing I haven't put on here yet is brads. So I do not have many brads left. I think I have some maybe in some collections specifically, but just in general, brads, I don't have a lot left. But I do have, and I'm going to use them up. They're on my desk for my use up for my How to Kill a Kit with style this month, so that's perfect. All these little very pale, like kind of like a dusty pink star. I have painted these 3 with Vicki Boutin gunmetal as a test, and they turned out cool. So I'm going to do the rest of them, and then I'm going to sprinkle those almost like they are sequins or something around in the page in the clusters. So I'll have those. So I'm going to finish painting those. I'm going to get things glued down, twine in, maybe some foam underneath the edges of the tags. I might distress the edges of the tags as well, and then just try to play with my arrangement and everything. But I'm really liking what I've got going here. And I don't know if I'm going to do too much journaling, but if I am, I can literally just put it right here, which is going to be perfect. And then it kind of keeps it in this little cluster, which I'm loving. So let me paint these. I just kind of stuck them in my piercing mat. I'll get these painted, get things glued down, and I'll check back in with you shortly. Okay, guys. First of all, the stars turned out really, really cute. I ran out. I wish I had a few more, because I had only 3 left, so I stuck them up here. I just kind of stamped a little bit up in this corner just to bring some grunge up there. But I really like it. It turned out actually better than I thought. This tag seems empty, but at the same time, I'm not worried because I like that some pattern is just kind of shining through. There's a lot of color involved. I stuck this down and then kind of wanted to move it, and it ain't coming up. So Simple Stories, good job on your adhesive. I found these cork numbers. I just had a random, it wasn't even the full 1 through 10. It was just some random ones that were left over in my little bin stash up here as well, that I figured they kind of look like tokens, and you get a number on the bottom of your fish when you get it. So I just kind of tucked them in places where it looked like I needed something. But yeah, I really like the way it turned out. So I appreciate you watching. Thank you so much for joining me. I put foam just under the tops of all my tags. I really like that look. It kind of just lifts them up just a little bit. Gotta add a little more adhesive back here. But that is my layout, my scrap 5 layout, late but the same day. That's winning for me lately. That is winning. I'm hoping, I keep saying this I think every video, I'm hoping that's going to be changing soon, that I'm going to not feel as overwhelmed and not get horrible migraines because of my job. So thank you again. I'll stop ranting about that. We will see you next month for scrap 5. Otherwise, stay tuned to my channel. More videos coming. Got another video tomorrow, so for something else. Appreciate you all. Bye.